What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Life's a Mess by Juice WRLD and Halsey. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll break your face into a million pieces and poop on it. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to learn how to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.